Hey guys, welcome to another video where today we are off to La Graciosa, a little island 2 kilometers north of Lanzarote. It's a tiny little island, and actually in 2008 it was officially made the 8th official Canary Island by the Spanish Senate. We're gonna go explore it today, rent some bikes, have a little look around, and see what we think. So, off to La Graciosa. Here we come. It's a bit windy up here on this top deck on the ferry from Órzola in Lanzarote to La Graciosa here, just north of it. The ferry time is about 20 or 25 minutes, so not too bad. It was very choppy to begin with, but smooth sailing here at the strait between the two islands. We're just about to arrive and get to La Graciosa, and I think we're gonna get some water, get a coffee, rent some bikes, start exploring the 8th Canary Island. So let's do it. So guys, we have made land here at La Graciosa, and as you can see, there are actually no paved roads anywhere on this island. Everything is still kind of sand and gravel, which is kind of cool. So we're gonna get a coffee and go rent some bikes and start exploring this little piece of paradise.
Pues no sé qué hacer, porque yo no estoy acostumbrada a tanta
Yo
visita.
le recomiendo, chicos. ¿Vas ahorita? No, aquí no. Después aquí yo te dejo aquí, tienes que caminar hasta la cocina. Y luego te voy a recoger.
Ah, solo Carlos Jorge está bien. Marino. Pues yo, papi, yo no lo sabe.
So guys, we decided to rent a couple of bikes. It came between that and getting sort of driven around the island all day, but I think it would be more fun just to do an activity and get some bikes and actually get some exercise in. Anyway, that's the harbor right here where we landed earlier. We're gonna head off to a place now called Pedro Barbara, which is, I guess, the second biggest established place on this tiny island. We're gonna go there, check it out, and then try and do as much as we can. For those watching this video, you can actually only rent bikes and take them to the north part of the island. The south, you either need to walk or take like a designated cab. So we're gonna try and maybe do the cab bit later if we have time, but we'll see. So onward. So guys, we have made it to Pedro Barbara, the second largest settlement on the island here, La Graciosa. It's a pretty pristine little place actually. I mean, look how gorgeous this see-through turquoise water is. It's absolutely magnificent. I love to see it. Makes me want to go for a dip. We might do that. We did bring our swimsuit, so we'll see. We're just gonna stop here. There's no commerce here. You can only buy stuff back at the harbor, so we might have a bit more water and then hit the trail again soon. But we're just gonna take in these breathtaking views here in Pedro Barbara. So guys, that was Los Arcos, some beautiful rock formations that have formed here on the north coast of La Graciosa. We're gonna get back on our bikes because we're a little pressed for time. Check out some of the amazing beaches they have here. I mean, look at all this white sand. It's really, really nice. And then I guess head back to the harbor and then head home, but here comes the beach next. So guys, we have arrived here at Playa de las Conchas, what is considered to be one of, if not the most beautiful beaches on this island, La Graciosa, the 8th and most certainly smallest of all the Canary Islands. What's cool about it is it represents the 3 colors of La Graciosa, which are blue, the color of the ocean, yellow, the color of the sand, and red, the color of the earth that you find here on this island. So, pretty cool. I think Elena might be going to take a dip right now.
I've done Finland, but I can do La Graciosa.
Good. Seriously going here. So guys, I'm sure some of you must be wondering what goes on such a small island. What do the locals get up to? What do they look forward to? And one of the big events that they have here is called Travesía al Nado del Rio, which is crossing from this harbor, swimming it, to the beach over on the Lanzarote side. So this is the El Rio Strait, and there is a swimming race between the two, and it's once a year, and locals get very excited. It's September every year. So guys, we have an hour till the last ferry back to Lanzarote, which is at 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now. We're just going to explore a little bit of the main port town that they have here. Here's the one and only school that they have here. Kind of cool. CEO Ignacio Adeleco. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, gonna explore a bit. So even on this pretty small little island, they still have a mini ramp. That is pretty cool. So guys, that concludes this little video on the north side only of La Graciosa, the 8th and smallest of the Canary Islands. We would have liked to have seen the south as well, but you can really only access it by foot or by taxi, and we felt like a bit of action, fun, and adventure, so that's why we did the north and get the bikes, and honestly, we had a great time. So if you're ever in Lanzarote for more than a couple of days, I would definitely suggest this. Total must. Yeah, so we got a ferry to catch. We're going back to Órzola in Lanzarote and then back home for dinner. So catch you in the next video.
Hey,